Good evening, everybody. I'm trying to think what day it is. I've got a feeling it's a Tuesday. Am I right? Or is it Wednesday? I really don't know. I really honestly
Definitely.
It's Tuesday. It's Tuesday.
Yeah.
Of course it is. Do you know what? I have no children in my house. That's probably why. Not one. It's never happened.
None?
No.
Why?
Not even one. They will be back. Zach's at, I'm just hanging out with Trina a minute. Zach's at Air Cadets, not that there's anyone on. Oh, there's one. Hi.
Hi.
Amber's at Guides, and Jacob's gone to his dad's for a couple of days because it's birthday tomorrow. His dad's birthday tomorrow.
Oh, how lovely. I bet you've still got the dog, though.
I've got both dogs, yeah, but they're asleep.
You've still got the dog? I keep losing you. You're all a bit jerky and
I look
fuzzy.
alright.
Anyway, hello, good evening.
I've got, well, I haven't finished. I might talk for a minute, you know. Before we go,
go ahead.
Before we go ahead with our news today, I had a little postman come. I didn't have a little postman. I'm talking absolute crap. I've been spending far too much long on the computer. The postman came to my door today, and I had this absolutely gorgeous Heartizan fluffy ball in the colours. I absolutely love it. Absolutely love it. Where's she gone? Where's she gone? I absolutely love it. And then that. Hold on. There's more. I love this.
I posted those ages ago. I know, aren't they soft?
Obviously from Trina. So thank you very much, lovely. That brightened up my day today. I thought, I'm not going to tell you, I'm going to show you on the news.
They're like me, Heartizan colours. But aren't they soft? And I sit there for ages like this. It's really bad.
I love it. I've already written with it. Jacob's written all his dad's birthday cards with it. He's like, what is it? He's like, what is it? And I'm like, it's a pen from Trina, because he knows who you are. Oh, yeah, I like it. Is that you, Jacob?
What's his favourite colour?
Blue, I think.
I'll have to find another one in blue, because there's not very many around.
Behind me. Look, there he is in his rugby colours, blue and white. Blue. You can't see that.
I can. Right, so, hi Amy, hi Claire, hi Jenna, hi Vicky, and everybody else who I've missed. Be sorry, we were just sort of chattering away.
We're pen twins.
So first on the news this evening, can we have Love Ella Jewellery? That's it's the star and a purple teardrop on a necklace.
Yes, I know the one you mean.
I'm glad you know. I'm glad you know.
Here we go.
Why have you got? Am I watching yesterday's?
No.
I actually think I'm watching yesterday's news. So I could just be saying hello to a bunch of people. That aren't
no, you're saying the right people.
Am I?
Yeah.
Oh, it's saying that I'm 27 minutes into a video. We haven't been live for 27 minutes. I'm so confused.
We have Dolly, Amy, Vicky, Amy again, because you've commented again. That's what we've got.
There we go. I was on the right one. Yeah. I mean, I was on the wrong one. I've got Daniela and all sorts.
Oh, that's
I was wondering why my top looked different.
Oh, dear.
I can't believe it's only Tuesday. Anyway, hi guys. So this necklace we've got on here, this is from Love Ella Jewellery. It's £23 and it's a beautiful hammered star necklace that can be worn at 3 lengths. They are 14, 16 and 18 inches that can be worn at. It's almost like 3 necklaces in one. So you get 3 necklaces for the price of £23. You could have just the star. You could have the purple teardrop pendant with it as well. You could just wear the purple teardrop, or you could have it plain. Anyway, so you could ask her for any of them. You could ask her for a mix of these, or you could ask her if she has any other charms as well. All of those options are available for just £23. I'd love to show you more of Ella's jewellery. However, she's a brand new vendor, I think, and there's only one product in her shop right now. So I wanted to show it some love and say well done, because I love it. It's beautiful. So yes, welcome on board, my lovely lady. Oh, hi, Claire. And hi, everybody else, if I got your name wrong the first time, because I'm just not with it today. else have we got on? I love that. Do you know what?
I don't know,
It wouldn't just be nice for Mother's Day either. It'd be nice for all times of the year, and especially someone who really likes, you know, astronomy and stuff like that. Do you know what I mean?
I do.
I like stars.
I do. I'm a bit brain dead. I'm just going to agree to everything you say today, darling. Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. I love your Reese's Pieces mug. See, I got a new cup today.
Oh yeah,
it's my replacement. My postman bought me this today. This is exclusive from Coffee Monkey. She designed it for me because I didn't know what I want. But can I just say, the list of stuff she's written is absolutely lovely about me. Trina, amazing mum, best friend, loving, beautiful, funny, best newsreader ever, LFC lover. However, she's put my name as Mrs. BITCH. Not impressed. She might be right, but it's not the point. So I love this.
Huge. Not as big as
my
mine.
new favourite cup.
Not as big as mine. But it's a big one.
R.
We're going to make no sense at all. I've been on Pinterest most of the day and hospital and a few other bits and pieces, and my brain is just...
I don't even think I've got one anymore. Do you know how many times I ended up writing news? And then I realised I was counting them wrong because I was counting yesterday's, and it just nothing makes sense today. My brain hurts.
Exactly
I don't want to play.
Exactly the same. Let's be
right
in the air.
Rainbow unicorn Taggie blanket, please.
I can't actually see which one it is, but we've got a pink one and a yellow one.
I'll put them both up.
I'll put them both up. I don't know if I can do two together. I can't do two together.
I love them. Why not?
Oh, one at a time. I'll get the other one.
Thanks. She's so great. You're so good to me. I love these. £13.99. You can have them personalised with a name. They are made from 2 layers of soft plush embroidery layers. They come with
That's actually Minky on the left. The pink one is called Minky. Dipple fleece.
They have 6 fonts available and 8 options of fabric. Now I know there are more because it's listed as other as well, so you must be able to get some other ones. And I just think they're lovely. I've seen so many of these around as well, and none of them quite as pretty as these. They just look so soft and cuddly. Now, they didn't have these when my kids were little.
No, mine.
I would have loved to have. I'm just scrolling through my phone. I'm trying to find the link that I have.
My grandson's got them, and he absolutely loves his little Taggie. And look at that one. It's Baby Bernard. Isn't that sweet?
They're so sweet.
It's a little elephant, and I think the other one a unicorn, one Bella Rose.
Yeah, and they're by Kate's Kreations, by the way.
Are they?
But they're lovely, aren't they? Really, really beautiful. And there's so many designs. I think she's got about 3 pages worth of designs on there. All in different fabrics, all in different taggies, all in different fonts, and they're gorgeous. So if you wanted to get something that they can treasure forever and really keep and enjoy, then this is the lady to go to, I reckon. What do you reckon, peoples? Been booking events all day, and my brain is fried. Excellent, Amy. What kind of events are you booking, my love? Tell me. So yeah, there's 2 options there. Now the yellow, I know that is Dream Yellow. That's the colour. I know. Yeah. They've all got really nice names as well. All the fabrics and all the colours have a really, or not the fabrics, the fonts have really nice names for them as well. So you have like magic and things like that, and they look really, really. Like inviting, I think is the word. You know how quite a lot of people try and keep their nurseries and things quite simple with their colour schemes, and then adding a splash of colour like that can really make a difference as well, especially if it's on a cot or a bed. Love that. Next on, my love, I'm going to have to fly through these a bit today. Can we have, I always want to say Lady Bernadette Rosenquist, because her name sounds so...
Our lovely Bernie, very posh. It sounds lovely, doesn't it?
It sounds really regal, like at the Manor House, darling. Bernadette Rosenquist, yes.
Does she know we're on?
No, I did try a message her, but I don't think any of my messages are going through properly.
She does work a lot. She works through the night and stuff, so she could be at work.
She does. She's one hell of a bit. She has got two. She's got.
Oh, she's got a new one. I helped her list some of these, but this one is a new one.
Oh, is this the Lovebirds?
Oh, it's new.
Yeah. It's floral felt and wood wall or window hanging. It's only £20. Now, the flowers that you can see are handcrafted from felt and love, and the birds are created from wool and yarn. And it's one of a kind and ready to post. I've never seen anything like it. Please excuse my daughter fanning about.
I saw you.
Yeah. Yeah, it's one of a kind and ready to post. I haven't seen anything like this before. I've never actually seen birdies made from wool either. And how lovely that they are lovebirds. Erica, my love, all right? I just had your mug on news, Mrs. Bitch. I'll have you know. Love it.
Hey,
perfect.
hey.
But let me tell you a little bit about Bernie, though. Did you know that Bernie is married to her childhood sweetheart?
I did know.
I didn't.
I did.
How nice is that? She's got 4 grown-up kids and 3 grandchildren, and she's a full-time mental health support worker. And crafting is her hobby, a passion, and kind of an obsession. And I love that. That's what she writes on her page. I like finding out about them all. But the one in the background just there is the handmade daffodils and daisy posy bouquet. Now, it was £18 and it's been reduced to £16, and they're all hand cut and created felt flowers. And you get 2 felt daffodils and a daisy, I think, with those ones. And I didn't know.
Perfect for the spring. Sorry, I just thought that's really spring, isn't it?
Yeah, it is, and it reminds me of Mother's Day because my mum's favourite flower is daffodils. Yeah, she's always loved a daffodil. I don't know why. I remember when we were kids, me and my sister had gone down to the forest.
Nick 'em.
And well, they were all closed, and we all kind of wanted some like bright yellow ones. So on the way home, we went on to the roundabout and picked a load and added them to it as well, and got told off by a policeman because it was against.
I can imagine.
I was only about 10.
They remind me of spring.
Anyway.
Yeah, they certainly do. They are so beautiful.
But you don't just get the, beautiful handcrafted flowers either, because you get the vase included, and I didn't realise that. And the last time I had these on, I don't think I told everybody. So naughty newsy, you do get a vase with these beautiful flowers, and she takes so much care over them. They'll be with you as soon as anything, and they're just, £16. I think they're great.
Forever flowers
as well.
That's what I just said. Forever flowers.
Jinx.
We're always in tune.
I love the window hanging, really unusual. I've never seen. No, I haven't either, Angela. It's weird, isn't it? I can't call you Angela. She's just Dolly to me now.
Dolly.
Can't call
Dolly, yeah. Ooh.
Just like a little Dolly rocker.
I just moved.
Oh, I need to stop Master Jenny. My phone's going ballistic. I can't deal with all this technology. It's
so
just not
popular.
I can't go. Anyway, next up, can we please talk about the gorgeous, the wonderful Vicky Bannister of Expressive Gifts?
We are in tune because I had that up. That is weird.
See, we spend too much time together, love. That's what it is. Right, so the cushions are £20 and the makeup bags are £16. Now, I don't want to give you too much information about these, because you've seen them before, and she should be telling you how wonderful she is. I want to get her on news. I want to give her some proper love.
Is she here? I'll bring her on.
Well, this woman is completely tireless. She really, really is. I've never known a woman run a house like Sergeant Major, like she does, run a business, be absolutely everywhere, help out with Heartizan. She always has a huge big smile on her face, and I love her. And she's coming to Wembley soon for the football, so guess who's going to have her for a cup of tea? Me! I really hope that Morgan is watching this as well, because while I was talking to your gorgeous mum earlier, Morgan, I was looking at all your cute little school photos that she was showing me, and you're just stunning. You're one of my favourite kids. Do you know that? Do you know that? But let's talk about these. The cushions are £20 and the makeup bag's just £16. Now they do come as children's drawings. You can have your handwriting on there. You could even have a shopping receipt if it meant that much to you. She can do anything. Now, although they are perfect for Mother's Day, this isn't the only thing you can get them for. Now, I have actually purchased one of these, and she's working on a design for me at the moment. I can't say too much because it is a gift, but I have to say, even though she is my friend, she has treated me no different than a regular customer. The communication has been second to none. Did you know that she can even take the creases out of the paper, remove the lines, manipulate the writing however you want it to be, and her work is exceptional. So I've got one of these coming along. Now, I wouldn't have much use for a makeup bag myself, but I would have one for a pencil case. Now, I have them everywhere in my house and they're always full. So, Andy, Andy, are you listening? I want one of these makeup bags, but it's a pencil case. Nems, are you listening? Well, listen, I want one of these cushions, all right? And I want you to write me a poem or a letter telling me how amazing I am and how much you love me, and then send it to Vicky. Okay? Thanks. See? Selling it for you already. This is what I want. And you do get a complete assurance of quality as well. Now, I just wanted to talk about these so much because Expressive Gifts not only tells you about her business and does all these amazing things, she is a great champion of home of handmade as well. So she does share all your local businesses around. She does give you a boost, and she's actually really, really, really whizzy on a MacBook. So if I do make that plunge, I'm going to have to be going around her house to give me lessons because she's just marvellous. So thanks, Vicky. By the way, you can even have white writing on these things. That's not something that's offered very many places because it's quite hard to get it to show up. And she's also messing about with watercolours right now, and they're her favourite. So she'll probably say, oh, how about a nice watercolour one for you? You know what? You sort of think, do I want watercolour? Then she shows you a mock-up and it's stunning. I'm so excited to get this gift through. I cannot wait. So big love to Vicky Bannister. I love you. You're amazing. He's in bed. Oh, he's in bed. Oh, give him a big squidge for me. Lush him. It's beautiful. Vicky is amazing. See, I can print any colour whatsoever. See, I knew this. I knew she was going to say it all. Next, can we have Rainbow Poochy? She's got 3 on. You're already there, aren't you?
It's already on.
She's got 3 on. She's got Pink Unicorn Dream Catcher. She's got a 5-hoop red Dream Catcher. And she's also got the pink leaf tassel keyring as well. Now, don't blush too much, Vicky. You deserve it. Love you. Keep me going, you do. Along with all the rest of me madmen as well. So, yes, Rainbow Poochy. The first one I want to talk about is the Pink Unicorn Dream Catcher. I have spoken about it a couple of times, but I'm not sure if I've ever showed it. Now, I love it because we're unicorn mad in this house because of Kira. And I've never seen one done in the shape of an animal either. So, this is a unique 2-hoop catcher. It's the shape of a unicorn head, decorated with a hand-sewn horn, ear and eyelashes. Now there, I think, are 4 different colours in the main and resin flowers to decorate in a range of colours. And I think that's gorgeous. Now she does say that all of her dream catchers are soaked in moonlight and positivity. But I would like to say that that's not just from the elements, that's from Amy herself. The woman is just brimming with smiles and nice words to say and encouragement. And, you know, that emanates from her daughter Freya as well. I'm on a proper love fest for families today. It's been really nice to see you all and, you know, see what you're creating. And I wonder if all of your little ones have creative flares as well. Now, the other thing, just at the bottom, on the bottom bit, is a pink leaf tassel keyring. It's £2.50. Now, they're made from silk thread in beautiful pinks and creams, and they're handmade with a pink oak leaf charm. And I love that. It's really nice. There's pink ones, there's green ones, I think there's a blue one, and they all have different charms on them as well. And the red is a 5-hoop red dream catcher for £15, decorated with white beads and red feathers. Again, bathed in moonlight and positivity. Lush that. Oh, look, so they're making them all blush tonight. It's good, isn't it?
She's going to add variables to that one, she just said. So different.
Ooh, and adding variables to the red one. Do you do the unicorn in any other colour? Just out of interest. I'd have a purple one for me. I wonder if you can make
this one. I own this one. That's mine.
You own what, the red one?
No, the keyring. That's mine.
Oh, do you? I want that one. That's my favourite. That's why I picked it.
Mine. Isn't that weird? It's mine. It's mine and Amy. Frey.
I love it. It's so nice. It is. They are ace. They are ace. Freya wants to be an artist. So does Naomi. Amy. How very strange. But yes, do you do your unicorn? Love the unicorn. Super cool. Gillian Spencer Peck. How cute is this? Oh, look at you tagging other people, you big smarty pants. I end up myself when I do that. But yes, do you do the unicorn one in any other colour? Lisa! Big up to Lisa.
Colours. 15 colours. I'm going to get the unicorn one back on because I didn't do it justice.
15 colours? 15? What colours are they? Let's see if she can write them all. I'm only joking. Don't do it really. I'm just joking. Next up, after you've put unicorn back on, can we please have May Contain Sparkles Bits and Bobs? They're lovely, Jane. I like hers. I like them all. I say that like I didn't like anything then. I like hers. I don't like anything else.
So we have a beautiful dress.
I'm flagging by the second here. I don't know what's up with me. I think I need more sugar in my tea.
I need some. It's not sugar.
Or vodka. Or,
Jack lady,
whiskey.
I'm a Jack bourbon.
Yeah, see, I'm not. I'm a Tia Maria drinker, me.
I can't drink much anymore anyway. I'll be on my back now. Since
I don't remember the last one I had.
You can't tolerate it anymore.
Well, the being on my back bit wouldn't be so bad, but the hangover, you know, I've got a bit of an issue with that.
I have one, and I'm just like absolutely out of it. I used to be able
Nicely sidestepped there, Chrissy.
I know. Right, we have things on the wall. On the wall?
Sorry, I'm sorry.
Not on the wall.
This is what happens when I'm tired. And every other hour of the day. So yes, right. Green and white, stunning princess dress decoration. It is only £7. It is 3D with a sash flower and a flower, and the bit over the breast bit. Oh, see, you've got a pink one. I had a green one.
What?
Okay, well that's all right. It's pink and white and string to enable it to be hung. Now, I think makes a really, really nice decoration for a bridesmaid or a flower girl. No?
Yeah, yeah.
Or maybe you're a dressmaker and you wanted to decorate your workstation. But it could also make a really, really fabulous gift tag for a present. Maybe a new dress.
Window.
Yeah, I really like that. There's so many things you can do with it as well. Now, it's been added, the 3D bits have been added onto the top of it, obviously, and it's decoupaged as well underneath that, and they have been painted. I just think it's so simple and so pretty. And I do think that one of our madmen have bought one of these. I'm sure one of the Vickies bought one.
I think Vicky Smith did, who's not on tonight, unusually.
Is she not?
Yeah.
Well, children's not here.
They're all having a little chat between themselves about what they drink. Cider, Bacardi and Coke, or gin. You all drinking now? What I want to know is you're drinking now. Are you drinking it now?
I wish I was drinking it now. I could do with a vat of wine and a straw.
Come down to mine and I will get drunk. Or one and I'll be in the corner.
Yeah, man. In fact, I need to talk to you about that. I've got dates for you.
Ooh, we got a date.
Ladybug. Yeah, man. Love having a date with you. Anyway, these are only £7. They are not a toy. They are 12.5 centimetres by 8 centimetres, and it's a mere £1.20 for postage.
For which one?
Now,
the dress.
Well, the dress.
Sorry, I've just put up the other one.
For the plaque, it is £10. Forget glass slippers. This princess wears boots. Yes, she does. I do wear boots. Normally it's trainers, but same thing applies. Postage is just £1.60. It's a fun sign for the independent lady or girl or woman or any label that you wish to be identified by. It's oak veneer with the design in matte purple vinyl, and it will arrive to you within 7 days. 20 by 30 centimetres and absolutely stunning. Now this is made by Jane from May Contain Sparkle, and Jane is living in Lancashire, and she has been married for 30 years and has 2 beautiful independent daughters, and craft is taking over her home. She has the best job in the world, creating gifts perfect for that someone that you want to spoil, and I love that. So and Lancashire is very lucky because look at all the beautiful things she makes.
And she's actually on the home page at the moment. But Amy, you won. I can't remember when you won. You're supposed to be getting me 4 pictures while you're on. I just remembered. 4 images, so you can have that selection on the marketplace. Send me 4 images and I'll do it. I had to say that while I remembered it.
So I have no idea what you just said. I was reading the comments.
Amy knows what I mean. 4 images.
You just sort of hear like news or words in the book. See, I can't even think of the right words to say anymore. What kind of newsreader? I can't get the words out. Like, it's rubbish. I think I'm out of news. I have
one more. I have one. Oh, God, the kid's back. An hour and a half. Complete peace. Can you hear that?
And then you've got the slamming doors.
The slamming the doors, the shoes being kicked off, and here's Amber. Nice time it goes.
At least they shut the door. My lot were born in a barn.
They have to, otherwise Bailey would escape. Right, I just wanted to show something that's actually off the marketplace. Oh, you made that? Awesome. Do you want to see what Amber made? Oh, come on. Amber made that at Guides.
It's amazing.
That's going to make me laugh all night. No, it's beautiful, Amber. I love it. Thank you.
Can I have one, Amber, in purple?
I'm reading the cupboard.
I think it's actually a sweet wrapper on a bit of wire.
It's a map.
Oh, it's a map. I take it back. Anyway, I want to get this out. Will you get out from under my legs? Excuse me. Not Amber, the dog.
Marshmallows.
Shh.
Oh, there's a question. Do you say marshmallow or do you say marshmallow?
Marshmallow.
See, I say marshmallow, but it's
she says
marshmallow.
Mellow. I say marshmallow.
What? It's
marshmallow.
Marshmallow. Show your marshmallow.
Woman. Amber! Hey, babes.
Vegan ones.
Are they vegan marshmallows?
Yeah.
Do they taste the same?
Yeah.
mine.
I
know.
Instead.
Anyway, before we go, I ordered something from the Magical Marketplace, and I've got a I do it quite a lot actually. Every time my birthday comes up or something I fancy, I do order from there. I don't buy from anywhere else online.
Because you're
handmade.
I do.
Do you hear that?
I'm an Amazon queen, mate.
For handmade stuff, I don't.
No, I don't either.
I would. Shh. Anyway, I wanted to show this off. Oh my god.
Good work. Wonderful.
Oh. And do you know what? He has watched our thing and he knows what colour I like.
Oh, look. It is lovely. Bill Derby, isn't it?
Bill is my
inside, I don't care whether it's your least favourite colour. Oh, you can't show that, but that's pink in there.
I can see it is pink.
And
it's the tall pink.
It's pink in there. He knows I like pink, doesn't he? Oh, Amber, you've shown it into my eye.
Well.
Look, Amber's lighting it for me. How amazing is
wow.
that? I just had to show it. I actually bought it from my mum for Mother's Day. Pardon?
It's bigger than I thought it was.
I bought it for my mum for Mother's Day, but she ain't getting it. It's got pink in it. I'm sorry, it's not even my house. Thank you. I am going to share this into Crafter's display bill and tag you in it. It is the most beautiful quality handmade. Look at that.
Happy Mother's Day, Mum. You can just look at it.
It's got pink in it. I have to keep it. It is cool, isn't it, Amy? Oh my god, I love it so much.
I love it. Who are we going to put in it?
Well, memories. It's a memory keepsake box. Look, you can put something in there. Amber and
I know, but I was wondering if you're going to put your jewellery in it.
I might put some. I don't know yet. I might put Amber and Zach in there.
I don't think they'll
And then
fit.
Jacob in the bottom.
And then where are you going to put Molly and Jamie?
Well, they're older.
And the dog.
They're older, they're not around, are they?
Do you know, I've got a proposition for you. Amber, do you or your brothers like snakes?
I do. I love
Oh, you've got her attention now. Now she's on her marshmallows. She's now on her vegan ice cream.
I had like 3
You'd
marshmallows.
to have your own corn snake, wouldn't you?
Not in here, you wouldn't, no.
I would.
No.
All my kids and dogs,
See?
they've got no chance.
I'd rather have a snake then.
We need to rehome a snake, you see.
No.
Oh, damn. Oh, look,
Get
Sheldon's
fish, but I
here.
can't get a
Why
snake.
are we talking about Sheldon? I can't remember.
Can I get a bearded dragon?
No!
Why was-
How can I get a fish then?
Shh.
I think News has got a bit to pop tonight, don't you think?
Oh, here's the lady that we was talking about, and I can't remember why. Vicky's on. Hi, Vicky. We just finished up, but look, I have to show everybody this. It's the wrong way around. Look.
But I remember.
Ooh. You can tell I'm off my head now.
Yeah,
Alice.
I love you. Thanks.
We've done all our showing off, but I'm actually showing off the stuff I've got in my hands.
No, I do remember. I remember, Vicky. I remember. Stop.
No, I need to do something with my hands. Cards by Trina.
Right, there's a dress made by Jane Tallman, and it's decoupaged and it's made pretty. Did you buy one, Vicky? Was it you? That's why we were talking about
Oh
it.
yeah.
Was it you? Please tell me it was you. Then I'm definitely not going bananas. Anyway, we were a bit rubbish yesterday because we didn't put the lineup on afterwards. So you're going to have to do that now, my love.
I forgot it again. I was just going to say goodbye.
No, not allowed. Because we forgot yesterday, and I'm going to start getting a brain
I do
this
apologise.
thing.
It's because I'm spending too much screen time. My phone told me 12 hours, and I spend more time on my laptop, so that's a bit scary, isn't it?
That is a little bit scary. Mine keeps getting too hot and then won't charge and then dies. Yes, she did buy one. I got it right. I remembered something from News. Yes. It means I'm not quite losing the plot entirely. It is. Did you get the pink one or did you get a green one? Because I saw a green one earlier, but Chrissy's got a pink one and I'm all confused. You know, I really feel sorry for all the creatives that I've got, right? Because they must think I'm a right mentalist. They really must. Right, stop writing the message like halfway through the sentence and send it, and they're like, oh sorry. Terrible behaviour.
I'm not ready yet, so just keep on talking.
Okay, that's fine. So tell me, everybody, what have you been up to? Vicky, Amy, the other Vicky, Lisa, Erica, if you're still here, what have you been doing? Oh, I'll tell you something I can talk about. I had a lovely message today from Rudy, Steph's little boy. So I messaged Steph, are you okay, my love? I know you're feeling a bit poorly. And because she can't talk to me properly because she's got a sore face where she's getting poorly, Rudy was like, hi, Newsy, how are you? Have you had a nice day today? This is Rudy, by the way. And you could just hear the smile on his face, and it just melts me. I love all your kids. It's just so cute. And then you've got Gabe who pops in every time I ring Erica, and he's like, hi, Trina. I love him. I just love all the babies.
Jacob's coming to London on Thursday.
Who is?
Jacob.
Is he? Why?
I'm sending him to you. I've had enough of him. No, he's on a trip.
Fab. That's fab. Nice to hear that. It's gorgeous. Oh, bless you. I'm still here. Oh, you're working, Erica. That makes a change, my love. You're actually doing something. You're working. I feel really sorry
She's
for
getting
Erica.
you back now from the mug.
She is literally working her socks off, and she's got a poorly hubby at home at the moment. So she's looking after him, and she's got a little toddler. She rocks it. She really does. She'll be stocking up on her chaos skill. I can tell. It's pink with a flower, Vicky's one is. Just put a couple of sewing sets in the Heartizan shop. Ooh, Angela, is it you that makes the owl tidy things?
Yeah.
I want to say it's a desk tidy, but I don't think it is.
Which Angela do you mean?
You put all your pens and stuff in it, but it's not called that, is it?
Not Dolly.
I like.
Not Dolly. The other
No,
one.
no, Dolly. Gorgeous Gifts.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not Gorgeous
Yes,
Gifts.
it is. It's stitched up now. She changed it.
Yeah, I see. I knew it wasn't Gorgeous Gifts. Stitched up. Angela, I need to talk to you, my love.
I'm ordering.
Okay.
When I move back somewhere, I need to get a big container thing that I'm having. My words aren't coming out at all either, Angela, but I know what I mean, what I'm ordering. I know what I want.
Honey.
I know what I want.
Oh, look, Vicky Smith has been to parents' evening tonight and her son is doing really well in year 8. Well, what is your son's name, darling? Because I'm terrible for names.
11.
And congratulations. It's hard to be in high school these days. Oh. I think my kids' teacher absolutely love.
Your voice has gone a bit funny, lovely. And you're frozen. Don't you leave me with the liner. Oh, you're back. Let's say, don't you leave me with the liner, because... Oh no, you're gone again. I can't do the liner, because I don't know how many... I don't know how much...
Are you there? I'm here still. Oh my frozen.
She can't leave me with the liner, because I don't know what anything costs. Come back, Trina. Ah! You moved. No, she's gone again. Well. I can't do a lot without knowing. Amber, come talk on it. Newsy's frozen on my screen. Wow, do you want to help me out? I have no idea what the prices are. But that's okay. That's okay. I could do it on my own. I started on my own. So we have a necklace. Oh, call me, she says. I call her. I'm going to hear it calling now, I think. Do you hear that? I am calling you. She's popping up on my screen. Call me. Call me. I think I'm just going to say goodnight. Because she's not answering. Do you know what? I'm just going to say goodnight. So we have all this lovely stuff at the Magical Marketplace. All these lovely creations are available. Check them out. Trina has already gone through them all. So you know what they are, how much they are, how gorgeous they are. She's ringing me now. Oh, dear. I've got rid of half of them.
Are you still on live, or are we done?
No, still online. I'm just getting rid of them. I'm like, well, I don't know how much they are, but you can buy them all on the Magical Marketplace. So I'm just getting rid of them, and there's none left. So you've just come back to say goodbye.
Oh, well, I'm so sorry. So, I mean, I can do it off the top of my head, but there's not really much point now, is there? I'm so sorry. My internet is just pants. I do complain about it all the time, and I'm just not doing very well at this right now. So, as much as I loved you all, thank you so much for joining us. Subscribe on YouTube. Honestly, it's normally a lot better.
Yeah, if you go over to our channel, Heartizan, obviously, click on the bell. You'll get notified every time we crazy crew go on and show off your gorgeous stuff.
Oh, I think my internet's going to go again. It's going poor connection. Poor connection.
Good night, everybody. See you tomorrow. We're on tomorrow with Imaginariums.
Yes, we are. See you. Bye.